fast track to bring forward Masaka to financial year 2020-2021. And to do that, Minister, can declare an urban area. You have heard from the technical steps, which are supposed to be waiting for the technical steps as stipulated by the Commissioner of Urban Administration, as explained, and I definitely wish you success. And the steps are very clear. Mr. Mutawali, Chairman Luengo, has to see it. He has to give the sub-county, correct, to Masaka municipality. Karungu, whatever picture, until the municipality has grown big, created two divisions. To me, I don't have a problem. You know that very well. As I'm in Masaka today, then I say, in order for me to declare this urban area a city, so I sent the commissioner to study. But then the district, local government is an entity. The district of Masaka can be taken to court. It can be sued, but it can also sue. Because it's an entity. To take away part of it and give it to another local government